Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my pamper routine. So for today, like I said, we're gonna be doing a pamper routine. I literally just woke up about an hour ago, and here I am starting to record. The only thing I have done so far is use the toilet and brush my teeth because I am going straight into breakfast. During my pamper routines, I don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen in the morning. I just want to go upstairs, head in the shower, and like just pamper myself. So I don't want to spend too much time cooking. So I like to make a really quick smoothie. Lately I've really been loving strawberry and banana smoothies. I haven't done an updated pamper routine in a while, so I'm really excited, especially since I'm finally in my new home. I figured it'd be cool to kind of share with you guys how my pamper routine has changed. I always tweak my routine and use new products and things like that. The first thing that I did do, and I took a little clip of, was get some water. That's actually every single morning because I need water. Like, I am a huge water drinker. And then we're gonna go ahead and make some breakfast soon. I do want to mention my nails look really bad, so you guys are gonna see how bad they look throughout the video. Speaking of pampering, these bad boys need to get done. Today is Sunday, by the way. I always do my pamper routines on Sundays. If you've been a OG subscriber of mine, then you know this. Pampering happens on Sundays, okay? So I don't do anything on Sundays. Don't text me, don't call me, nothing. If you call me, I'm busy. I'm pampering. Literally, Sundays are reserved for pampering. Let's go ahead and start kicking into the routine, starting with a breakfast smoothie. So I've actually been using the Ninja blender now. They have so many different ones. This one's called the Auto IQ 1000 watts one. I love this one. I kind of got tired of the NutriBullet, so I really wanted to switch my blender, and I'm so happy that I got this one when we came to the new house. I actually really like it. I'm actually only going to put half of this banana. So these strawberries have already been rinsed. Ooh, this one is totally going bad and not a good look. So I'm gonna throw that out. So because I'm kind of running low on strawberries, I wanna throw something else in today. I actually have some pineapple in the fridge, so I'm gonna throw that in. So now I'm gonna add some spinach in here. I completely forgot to put water. Oh my God. Okay, got my water in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. So I actually have this really cute little jar that I got because I bought this fruit smoothie. So it came in this jar, but I kept the jar and now I just cleaned it, and I just feel like being all cute and putting it in here. Okay, so we are in my bathroom now, and the next thing I will do is pretty much shower. But before I get into the shower, I always do my skincare. So I have shared this with you guys a few times, to be honest with you, but I have actually switched over to using these type of razors. Let me see if it'll focus. So by holding my sideburns up, I'm like saving them to make sure I don't shave off like the wrong part of my sideburns. But I do want to shave off like what's all underneath that and also downwards. And this is all of my tan fading, by the way, that's what you're seeing. And then I will go around my entire face. There you go. Do you guys see that right there? I hate having peach fuzz on my face. Like, whenever you shave your face, I'm telling you, your makeup and your skincare goes on so smoothly. It is such a part of my routine now. Look, I cannot go without it. I also shave my neck. You see that? Gross. See that right there? Gross. I mean, I know peach fuzz is normal, but like I said, your makeup, you will thank me. What's great about doing this too is it really takes off any dead skin. Look at how much hair. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? Gross. And then the next thing I will do is just trim my brows. And the whole thing is you kind of want that when your brow hairs are out of place, they still aren't super long. Like you see how those are just a little too long? And as I'm holding the hairs up, I can see easily what's too long and just go and cut that. Now I'm gonna tell you guys this trick, but don't do it too often, because if you do it too often, it's just too harsh and too vigorous. I honestly usually do it like once a month or something. So this is really gross. If you don't like to see whiteheads or anything like that, skip over by like a minute, okay? Because this is kind of gross. So you wanna take your nostril, okay? And then you can see all of the gunk come out of the nose. It's pretty gross, I know. So I want to cleanse my face. I do want to mention that this video is sponsored by Foreo. So today I'm going to be featuring the Luna 3. You guys already know I love this device. I've been using it for the longest time. So this is a cleansing brush and facial massaging tool. I absolutely love it. For me, it really helps me cleanse my skin and make sure I get all of my pores cleaned out. Ever since I started using this, I have noticed such an improvement on my blackheads. I used to get really bad blackheads, and even though I still get them because they're just normal, this really helps keep them to a minimum, and it's because it actually really does help clean your skin. Also, I've mentioned to you guys how I love using this after I work out, after I go to the gym. Super important to make sure you clean your face after a sweat session, after you go your workout and go to the gym. If a lot of you guys happen to, you know, use the showers at the gym, what's great about this is you can pop it right in your gym bag because it is so lightweight and travel friendly. The best thing about this device is how hygienic it is. Since it's made out of silicone, it's going to resist bacteria, which is amazing. It's also very gentle. So if you're like me and you have a little bit of sensitive skin and you tend to get very red on your cheeks, you don't have to worry about this, you know, making you break out or making you like it's just being too abrasive. It's not at all. It's very gentle. I use it in the morning and the night. So just go ahead, put a little bit of your cleanser on there. I like to work mine in circular motions. Because of the way that it's shaped, it fits right into the curves of your nose, which I love because this area is often very missed. I personally have oily skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the Foreo down below if you guys are interested. Make sure you check it out. I know a lot of you guys have already purchased it and told me that you love it so much, and it's really helped clear up your skin, so definitely check it out. And don't forget there's a really cool facial massaging side, which is just great. It's so relaxing. Oh, it's so relaxing. What I do a lot of the times is I'll take this in the bathtub with me and just like sit there and relax and massage my face. It's very relaxing. I always like to do a face mask before I get in the shower because then it's really easy to wash off while I'm in the shower. So I have talked about this so many times and I love this mask. It is my absolute staple. I cannot live without it. And I'm telling you guys, when I don't use this mask for like a week or two, I could tell like my skin is different when I don't use this. This really helps to exfoliate your skin naturally. Just remove any of the dead skin, any of the clogged pores. What you want to do is just apply a thin layer and ooh, you can feel it burn. Then while I have that mask going, I am going to whiten my teeth. Now I don't do this every single pamper routine. I do this about once a month. Sometimes every 2 weeks. Whenever I would whiten, I used to get really sensitive teeth, but the key with this is to not keep it on for too long. If you keep it on for like 25-30 minutes, you're gonna get really sensitive teeth. I forgot, I always dry my teeth. It just sticks better when your teeth are dry. Yeah, so only leave it on for about 15 minutes. So I actually have this little shower basket that I got from Amazon and I love it because it keeps all of my shower items in there. That way my shower can remain clean and empty. I don't really like when like products show in my shower. I feel like it just takes away from the aesthetic. So with this, I can keep it in the cabinet tucked away. And whenever I need to take a shower, I just bring my little basket with me. So these are the shampoos and conditioner that I am currently using. It smells really good. It's sulfate free. That's something I always look for in a shampoo and conditioner. So this one is sulfate and paraben free, which is really great. And then this is the body wash that I'm currently using, and then I have my favorite hair mask in the entire world. I also really love the Briogeo hair mask. I just ran out of that one. And then I have my exfoliator and then my foot scrub. Just figured I would show you guys that because I feel like it's a really cool tip. If you don't like when products show in your shower, you can just keep it in a little basket and then put it away in the cabinet. And what's great about my bathroom is the cabinet is right in front of the shower. So it's really easy access. So the very first thing I do is just go ahead and wet my hair and get that all rinsed out before I start putting my shampoo. And I'm also rinsing off that face mask, and I did take off the teeth whitening strips. So I am gonna start with the shampoo. My favorite thing to do is just massage the scalp. I do only wash my hair once a week because it is the healthiest for my hair. I find that allowing my hair's natural oils to nourish my hair is just the healthiest. I've noticed a huge improvement in my hair over the years since I've been doing that. So yeah, I do still just really wanna make sure I lather my hair so that I can get all of those oils out and get it super clean. And then I usually rinse it off pretty immediately. And then I'll make sure to squeeze out all of the excess water out of my hair before I do put in my conditioner. That way my conditioner doesn't get too runny. And then I will move on with conditioner. And I'll usually leave my conditioner in for about like 2 to 3 minutes while I wash my body. And that way it just allows the conditioner to penetrate. But the main thing that's gonna really make my hair super healthy is the hair mask that you guys will see me use, which that I keep in for a really long time. So now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner, running my fingers through my hair, making sure it really gets all over the place. And now for this hair mask, absolutely incredible. I will always leave this in for a very minimum of 5 minutes, but I really preferably try to do 10 minutes. First thing I do is lather it on the ends, and then I honestly put it all over my hair. I did forget to mention that with the conditioner, I only put conditioner on the ends of my hair. But with this hair mask, as you can see, I really make sure to run my fingers through my hair so I can properly put this all over. And I'll go ahead and exfoliate my body so I can exfoliate that excess or that leftover tan off. And I'll also scrub my feet, just do anything I need to do during this time so that the hair mask can really sit in my hair super long. If you need to shave, you can shave while your hair mask is in your hair as well. And then I'm just really making sure to run my fingers through my hair so that I can make sure it's all out. Okay, so I'm out of the shower now, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare first before my face gets too dry. So I have been using this avocado sleeping mask by Glow Recipe. It is really good, you guys. Normally I do put on like some sort of serum, but I'm actually tanning, so I don't like to put serums or anything like that because I'm gonna wash it off in a few hours. So this is a really good moisturizer. It's nice and thick and very rich. So I'm not putting on any eye creams or just anything like that because like I said, I am going to be washing my face in a few hours after my tan. I actually let my hair air dry. I don't really blow dry it. So what I'm gonna do is put on some of this Briogeo Heat Styling hair primer. I really, really like this. This is really nice. Oh, sorry, not Briogeo, Biolage. This is really good for your hair. I love it. I will just take it and apply it all over. The key to doing that is to run your fingers through your hair like this. And then I'm gonna be using this hair oil that I'm just kind of like testing out. I've used it once or twice before. And I just do one pump of that, and I mainly focus it on the ends of my hair, and then I will bring it to the mid parts of my hair. So I actually don't apply deodorant because I'm gonna tan. So when I'm tanning, I don't put deodorant. I do really love this deodorant. I wanna give it a really quick shout out. This is the, I think it's Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla. My sister actually recommended it to me. This is an all natural deodorant, which is actually really nice. I've tried so many natural deodorants and they just don't hold up well. I end up smelling horrible after like 2 hours, but this one is really good. Like it actually lasts all day. So I am just going to part my hair in the middle, which is always a challenge because I have a little bit of a widow's peak. And usually my hair is really easy to brush. Like, do you see how there's like no tangles? And that's honestly because of the hair mask. And then from here, I just let my hair completely air dry for the rest of the night. And then I will do my hair in the morning, whether I'm straightening it or curling it, I will just do it in the morning and let my hair air dry. So I got my scrunchie. I've actually been really big on using scrunchies. just to avoid getting hair damage from like the really tight elastics. So when I'm around the house, I just use a little scrunchie. So pretty much the last step of my pamper routine is to tan, but I do have an entire tanning routine for you guys. If you are interested in watching that, I will go ahead and link it. But this is my favorite lotion, the Cocoa Butter by Palmer's. All right, so I just finished applying my tanner and now I will just let it sit for about 6 hours before rinsing it off. And honestly, for the rest of the day, I will just relax, watch some Netflix and chill out, do some cooking around the house. And that is it. I don't like to do anything on Sundays. And as for my hair, like I mentioned, I will just go ahead and let it air dry for the rest of the day. Also give this video a like, thumbs up if you guys want to see a new updated morning routine, because I've definitely adjusted and have like this new routine, a bunch of new habits and new tips and tricks ever since moving into the new home. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I will definitely do that. And yeah, other than that, you guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my pamper routine and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.